Hello everyone, I am Subhalakshmi Panda. I am a graduation student. Today I want to explain all of you about the public administration. So let me start the video. Before starting the video, I want to say that please like and subscribe my channel. Okay, let's start. So first we have to introduce what is administration. Administration as an activity is as old as society itself. Public administration is one of the important concepts of the study of administration. But with the changes in economic, social, physical, cultural and technological field, the structure and activities also vary from one nation to another. So friends, since the origin of society, administration is continuing from that period, and it is also continuing in the contemporary times. And as an administration, if we consider it as a discipline, then public administration is a very vital significance in this topic. So as there are various types of economic, social, physical, technological changes are occurring. So as far the public administration also varying from various nation to another nation. Then, before understanding the meaning of public administration, it is necessary to understand the meaning of the word administration. So, the word administration is derived from the Latin word ad and minister, which means to serve or to look after or to care for or to manage. So, administration, friends, is deriving from two words, that is ad and minister. Which can be defined as to look after or to care for or to manage. I think you have all cleared your doubts. Then what is administration? Particularly we can define. Administration is as old as the human civilization and human existence. It is a process of management which is practiced by all kinds of organizations from household levels to the most complex system of the government. So friends, in our house we are managing, our mother is managing the house, that is also one part of administration. And in governmental level it is also administering the state, the nation, that is also a very complex system of the administration. So all these are coming within the scope of administration. It is the administration which controls and stabilizes the society. So if we consider that by which means the society is controlling, that is only the administration. The whole society has been guided by the norms and values of administration. What is our administration is giving us instruction, as per that we are acting accordingly. So the society without administration is not effective. So knowledge about administration is very important for the students of political science. So as far as the subject of political science is concerned, public administration plays a very significant role. Then come to what are the definitions of administration. According to Ian Gladden, which is a very prominent public administration scholar who has defined administration, is a long and slightly pompous word. Pompous means a very high value. So administration has a very high value, but it has a humble meaning. For it means to care for or look after the people. As we have first already discussed that administration is to care for the people, and Ian Gladden has also highlighted about it that to care for or look after the people. To manage affairs is determined action taken to pursuit of conscious purpose. It is taken in order to serve our purpose, to fulfill our purpose. So in our next video we will discuss more about public administration. Thank you.